Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install an app on your iPhone 16e on iOS 26.1. So the first step you need to do is unlock your phone. Obviously I am doing this by Face ID and this is unlocked, so you have to make sure that you are connected to the internet. I am using Jio 5G. Okay, so it will be fast, very fast. Then you can go to App Store. Okay, then you can go to search button and you have to select an app that you want to download. Okay, so in this case I am going to test a few net speed, so I am going to speedtest.net, download speedtest.net, sp double speed test. Okay, I am going to download speedtest.net. okay, yes, this one. Okay, and on this internet it is very fast. Okay, let me say, if I get this get button, I have to do is double click and it is going to recognize my face and it is just downloading. Okay, this is so fast, and this one just done uploading, sorry, downloading. Okay, and it already installed. This is very fast. Allow once on my location and continue. Do not allow. Okay, this is how you install your desired app on your iPhone 16e on iOS 26.1. so, and let's take this app for a run. Okay, let's test the speed. Okay, do not allow. Wow, this is 900 Mbps connection. On download and upload it is like 80 Mbps. So I have already downloaded this app and I am going to right now uninstall it. Okay, I have downloaded a app, tested this app, and I am going to uninstall it. So you have to go through this process. You can just unlock your phone. Okay, then you can just go to the app and click on it. Then you can do is remove app. This is delete app. Delete. On installing this app, you have to double press this button to verify that you want to install this app on your phone. But when you want to uninstall it, you just have to press it and remove your app. Okay, there is no confirmation or requirement for that. So I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.